I knew that I could not take this decision lightly when I was reading reviews and somebody said their microwave blew up. Imagine chilling at home and your microwave blows up. Like, that is insane. Anyways, we've got a new appliance in the nest. We've got a microwave, and it was not easy to find because I had such strict criteria. I wanted it to be a mirror finish that was non-negotiable. I wanted it to be affordable, under 1.5, a little bit tricky, and I wanted it to be a certain capacity. I think this is like 25 liters, and it had to fit in the designated microwave space. So it was not easy to find this baby, but I'm so glad that I did. Let me know what you guys think, and see you next time.